Wanted to take a minute and explain a change that's going to happen with my YouTube channel. It's been Taildragger Flying for several years since I've started it, and it's been videos of me, flying around with my 150, things I might have been doing in the shop or hangar. But starting this week, February the 6th today of 2023, starting this week, I will be beginning construction of a Rans S-21 Outbound airplane. And I wanted to document that project, and I really decided that I want to focus the channel primarily on that build. Now, that's not to say I'm not going to have the same kind of content that I've had with Taildragger Flying. I'm still going to do things like that. I'll have flying videos on there, but I really wanted to focus on the build, and my intention, at least at the moment, is as I progress through the project, to shoot videos and document that for two reasons. Just for my own sake, just to have content that I can look at years in the future and look back on the build, but also maybe to help other builders that are going to be taking on an S-21 project. There are several other channels out there that I've been watching for the last year or so that are focused on S-21 builds, and they've been really helpful. Even though I haven't started my kit yet, it's really been helpful for me to see how the airplane goes together, different components and assemblies and such. And it's been great to have different sources for that type of content. And I figure it certainly couldn't hurt to have somebody else in the mix. So I'll be doing it to help other builders as well. So you'll notice a change. I'm going to be rebranding the channel to Outbound 300. The reason for the name, turns out, is my Outbound kit is serial number 300. It's the 300th fuselage, S-21 fuselage that Rans has produced. So Outbound 300 will be the channel name. I've also got a website, outbound300.com, which I'll be putting a blog for all of my construction entries and photos and such will be there. So check it out. Just wanted to take the time and explain the reason for the change. I may lose some of you as subscribers. I don't have that many subscribers anyway. I may lose some of you, and hey, that's fine. But I'll still be having similar content that I had, like I said. So not a complete change, just more content that's going to be focusing on my S-21 build. So, and a lot of you guys out there may enjoy that as well. I hope you do. So that's all. Thanks.